Today's event was really exciting for folks to take a step back from their day-to-day jobs and think about really the art of the possible and where the damage prevention space is going and could go.
I thought it was really useful to hear the perspective both from the utility owners and from the contractors. This was interesting because it was such a broad-based group of people.
One of the really great things about this event is that everybody is together and everybody talking about their part in the damage prevention process. This was about how we can make progress together. It's a great way to hear everybody's perspective.
For us that was here to see the new innovations to AI and things that is going on in the future to help damage prevention is very important to the utility business, but also to each and every one's customers and public safety.
Today was great to have all stakeholders involved in underground utility damage prevention in one room and talk about the challenges that are before us, but also talk about the technology that can help us resolve those issues.
Build better together. It's really necessary to, one, be here, two, to engage with your peers. You're not going to solve things alone. You need to come together to solve these complex problems.
I think if you want to be part of the future of where this industry is going, it's important to be part of these conversations. You're not going to get a better opportunity than one of these Build Better Together events.